Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi friends. We're so happy you're here today.
Today's lesson is very practical.
Yes. Today we will learn how to answer phone calls with confidence in English.
Many English learners feel nervous when the phone rings.
That's true. On the phone, you cannot see the other person's face.
You only hear their voice.
And sometimes they speak fast.
Don't worry. Today we will practice step by step.
We will learn useful phrases, do mini role plays, and practice listening.
So take a deep breath.
And let's begin.
Jack, why do people feel nervous answering calls in English?
Good question. I think there are three main reasons. They are afraid of making mistakes. They don't understand fast speech. They don't know what to say.
Yes, especially when it's a work call.
Or an unknown number.
So first, let's learn something important. You don't need perfect English. You need clear and simple English.
Confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Repeat after us. I can speak clearly and calmly. Very good.
Let's start with the most important question. What do you say when the phone rings?
Here are some simple ways to answer. Hello? Hi, this is Jack. Hello, Emma speaking. Good morning, this is Emma.
Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat slowly. Hello, this is Emma. Again, good afternoon, this is Jack.
Excellent. Listen carefully. Telephone receiver ring ring. Hello, this is Emma. Now you say it. Pause the video and speak.
After you answer, sometimes you don't know the person.
So what can you say? Here are useful questions. May I ask who's calling? Who is this, please? Can I know your name?
These are polite questions. Repeat. May I ask who's calling?
Good job.
Let's practice together.
Hello.
Hello, this is Emma.
Hi Emma, this is Jack.
Oh hi Jack. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Now you try. Play both roles and speak clearly.
Sometimes, you don't understand what the person says.
That's normal.
So what can you say? Here are very important phrases. Sorry, could you repeat that, please? I didn't catch that. Can you speak more slowly?
These phrases are powerful. Repeat after us. Could you repeat that, please? Again, can you speak more slowly? Excellent. Listen, telephone receiver. Hi, I'm calling about the meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m. If you don't understand, what do you say? Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Perfect.
Now imagine someone calls for your brother or your colleague.
But they are not at home or not available.
What can you say? Here are simple sentences. He's not available right now. She's not here at the moment. Can I take a message?
Repeat, can I take a message? Very good. Hello, can I speak to Mr. Ali?
I'm sorry, he's not available right now.
Oh, okay.
Can I take a message?
Yes, please tell him I called. Now you practice.
Let's practice a simple work call.
Don't worry, we'll keep it easy.
Good morning, ABC Company. This is Emma speaking.
Hi Emma, this is Jack from sales.
Hi Jack. How can I help you?
I'm calling about the report.
Sure. What about it?
Can you send it today?
Yes, I'll send it this afternoon.
Repeat, I'll send it this afternoon. Great.
Jack, how can we sound confident on the phone?
Good question. Here are 5 tips. Speak slowly. Smile while speaking. Use simple sentences. Take a deep breath. Don't panic.
Yes. When you smile, your voice sounds friendly.
Many learners say, my mind becomes blank.
That means you forget everything.
So what can you do? Here are simple strategies. Write useful phrases on paper. Practice with a friend. Practice alone. Listen to English phone conversations.
Practice builds confidence. Repeat. Practice makes me confident.
Listen carefully. Telephone receiver A. Hello, this is David. B. Hi David, this is Emma. A. I'm calling about tomorrow's class. B. Yes? A. What time does it start? B. It starts at 10 a.m. A. Thank you. B. You're welcome. Now answer, who called? What is the call about? What time does it start? Say your answers out loud.
Ending a call is also important.
Yes. Don't just say bye. Here are better options. Thank you for calling. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Goodbye. Repeat, talk to you soon. Very nice.
Now we have a small challenge for you.
Hi Emma, this is Jack.
It can be simple.
I'm good. I'm calling about our meeting.
For example, call a friend, order food, ask for information. Today we learned how to answer a call, how to ask who is calling, how to ask someone to repeat, how to take a message, how to end a call politely.
Prepare 3 sentences before calling. Example, hello, this is underscore. I'm calling about underscore. Thank you. Goodbye.
Again, I can speak calmly and clearly.
And we practiced listening and speaking.
One more time. I am confident.
You need clear, simple English.
Keep practicing every day. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Bye everyone.